Everything was like in slow motion. We didn't know which way to start, what was up, what was down, where to go, where to get help, where we were going to stay that night. It was tough.
Blaze listened to us, and Kenny would talk with his contractors and Chris, who helps with the design, and put it out on paper so you could see it, and did the best that they could to incorporate what we had envisioned. And
they were open.
Yeah.
Open into listening to what it was that we wanted versus how it needed to be. Kenny's a personable person, and the interview with him was more about what do you guys want done from here on out versus here's what we can do for you. With the other contractors, it was all about what they could do, what they've done, how much money they make. And with Kenny, it was more, what is it that you want? What can my company help you with? He communicated with her and I, and during and in between and till the end, it wasn't just a business relationship. We actually became a friendship relationship. Kenny is someone who I see myself now being friends with years to come, even though the process and the contract and the work that he did for us is over.
Blaze got us through this as quick as possible. I mean, we're back in our house in 8 months.
It's like a classroom. Everybody goes into a classroom, they have the same grade, but then at the end of the year, some people either keep that grade, which in letters is an A. Some people diminish in that grade, B, C, D, F. And then there's those that get above the grade, A+, 4.5, 4.0. Kenny was the one that stood above the grade that you got when you went into the classroom.
You will have an honest, trustworthy contractor to work with. He takes your situation personally. He looks at it at all angles and is there for you and tries to make the process as smooth as possible.
I feel like I wouldn't want anybody to have to go through what it was that we went through. And I feel like I wouldn't want to see something like this happen to anybody that I know. Yet at the same time, I feel the job that the company did was excellent. I mean, it was perfect. Again, it went above and beyond any of our expectations, I believe. The house is better now than what it was than before.